The cube root of 125 is 5. You ask yourself, what do I cube to get 125? Or what number multiplied by itself and by itself again equals 125? In this case, the answer is 5. We write this sign, which is the cube root sign. Write 125 next inside the cube root sign, and we say the cube root of 125 equals 5. The cube root sign is very similar to the square root sign, but there is a small 3 here. It's useful to know the first few cubed numbers because then we can quickly work out the cube roots. For example, the cube root of 1 is 1. The cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of 64 is 4. And the cube root of 125 is 5. More often than not, we can use a calculator to help us. Most scientific calculators have a cube root button. On this calculator, it is here, as the second function on the square root button. The way the cube root button works varies from one calculator to another, so you need to read the instructions for the calculator to see how yours works. For this calculator, if we want to work out, for example, the cube root of 512, we key into the calculator the shift button, then the square root button, so that it becomes the cube root button. Then 512, then press the equal button. The calculator will display the answer of 8. If a cube has a volume of 200 meters cubed, and we want to find the length of its sides, we would need to find the cube root of 200, which we key into the calculator, and the display gives an answer of 5.84035476. If we round that to one decimal place, the length of the sides is 5.8 meters.